delicious food in a short amount of time, getting ingredients that you can find anywhere. So let's go. So today I'm going to be making a beef broccoli dish. So all you need to do first is to cut up some ginger. Now let's get the pan nice and hot. Okay, so now I'm going to put in some olive oil inside the pan. And then let's put in the onions. And while that's cooking, we're going to cut up the beef. Throw in the ginger. Now, if you don't like ginger too much, you can cut it into smaller pieces. I really like ginger, so that's why I cut it into bigger slices. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the beef slices in the middle. A little bit of sugar. I'm gonna add in the broccoli. And then now I'm gonna add in a little bit of soy sauce. Maybe like a teaspoon or two. Now you just wanna wait for the broccoli to turn bright green. Enjoy!